Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay. On the application of Chase app, you will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Chase app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.